thoughts on this? Who's gonna win? Oh, you're on this team.
Yeah, I'm on Houston, so you know I gotta go with my boys over there. I feel like after last week, you know, we've got a lot to prove out here.
Ashton told me he said he only shot the ball one time last week from 3. He said he's going to shoot a lot more this week.
Oh, wow. Did he make that 3?
Yes, 1 for 1.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Max over.
Seems as though we got a foul. And Big A goes down.
That was quicker than I thought it would be. Oh.
Someone get the medics out here.
Time out.
Alright, so Big A goes out.
Big A's out.
Injury. Sub comes in.
They're asking for a lot from AJ now.
Jimmy shoots. And it's off.
We're there.
What does it look like?
Good hustle for that rebound. Finds Tommy. Good shot.
Tough shot from Jackson. Like the confidence though.
My biggest question is, where is Nolan right now? Where's Nolan Anson?
Where is Nolan Anson? Hopefully he scores today.
I want him to prove his worth in the ABA.
It looked like off the bat. I'm not gonna lie, but I think they said. Yeah, it was. Voyagers needs to get me down low. You should feel it. Why do you keep going? You gotta understand.
Oh, and it's off.
Right up, baby.
Got one more.
Good boy.
Stick to the bench, by the way.
Reset.
So,
Big two.
that's a 2.
That was
Like it?
Was he behind the line?
I think it was.
That was probably a 2.
Arthur.
Definitely probably a 2. Never mind. It was I guess I could be wrong.
Movie. So they're playing cheesy, it's alright.
But everyone agrees. I don't know. Maybe I'm.
I couldn't really see from here. Next to the rim. Tough bucket.
Alright, big is that again.
2-2.
I got big guy.
Low scoring game.
Oh, yeah. Big A is back in this game. AJ shoots.
Oh, good shot,
It's
AJ.
off.
Good shot, AJ.
Double team going on. It's a Big A in the field.
Get back. Out.
Doesn't really look like he's looking for a pass.
Still 2-2. How many? You stopped the video the first time?
Yeah.
So like 6, 7 minutes? Play time, like
it's
2-2.
just-
Pretty low scoring.
They got some in. I'll get some buckets.
You anticipate getting in today, right?
Yeah. Yeah, when I get in, that's when the game is going to take a massive leap and put the Voyagers ahead.
Put it away. Put it away.
Yeah. Even just standing on the court, I make an impact. My intimidation.
Good move, Jimmy!
All right.
Gonna pay.
Wizards go ahead. Tommy puts it up. Good D.
Good
Oh
shot.
my
It's a big shot.
goodness.
That's just the difference between Ashton and everyone else. So I hear we're number 1 overall. One thing you'll see Max has to work on, when he dribbles, he has to look down the whole time. So that limits his playmaking ability.
It sure does. Wow.
Let's go.
Yeah, last week was a rough week for the Voyagers, shooting percentage-wise.
Off to a bad start again. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Oh, but
Maybe
what a
that's big
putback.
It's a little chilly. I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind it though.
Oh yeah. Like the sun is hot, and there's a nice little breeze. Kind of cancels it out. Shot!
So good. Watch him drive, watch him
Oh, and one.
And I fouled. Blocked it and fouled.
That was kind of cool.
4 or 5 here. This one's the lead.
Early on the week on the practice, I saw Ashton was over under 11.5 points.
Oh, good shot. That's a 2, right?
I think they're the one, but
I'm feeling
nobody's saying it. So.
I'm feeling 2. We're definitely going to need an official sideline referee.
Drive that, AJ.
It's like AJ has been passing an awful lot.
Yeah, he's got two good ones. Then he takes that shot. The one shot he takes is the one that's so easy. He did it last week too.
Last week I saw you had a little bit of an off game, being a team captain and the commissioner of the league.
Aaron comes in, he brings the tone.
He's definitely looking to have a better week. And when I saw him warming up this morning, he looked phenomenal, on fire. And he's definitely hustling out there.
Good player, usually.
Oh,
AJ, aggressive.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't think AJ or Nolan, or not Nolan, Big A are gonna sub out in all this game.
Probably not. You don't.
No, I know.
You can't afford to lose the size.
You wanna do this game? That's it up. Oh, wow.
You have to do it all game long if they want it. If you don't want Eric, what's up? Chilly.
Yeah, I was putting on my shirt today. I was like, man, I should wear like a blue hoodie. I'm okay sweating now. He changed the score last. Yeah, dude, like he's an Eric.
It's just the thing, like, you know how Eric plays defense, so like, that when he feels a little bit of pressure, he immediately passes.
I do that too, though. Sometimes I rest. I think I'm a fan, though.
Like, Eric's the best in the team, so.
I feel like compared to last season, I'm already doing better. I mean, I'm actually putting points up. Hey!
Good job by Ashton.
We're Winnipeg.
That's what he said. That's what he said he was gonna do more is shoot the ball.
I think I've got 3 again, so I need more.
Yeah, you scored
What?
a couple points. I had ages ago. Did you score?
No.
You only shot once.
Yeah, he took that really weird.
Yeah, but see, when he shoots and he takes the weirdest shots.
Pull. Oh. Hey!
The first bucket of the season?
Silk!
Game far from over. Let's go.
I don't know. You don't want to get you don't want like he slapped Ashton in the face. That happened later on in the game. Maybe. I could see something through.
Oh, yeah, no.
Or I guess you can start talking to each other at some point because Ashton was.
Getting that board.
Do we have any news on Belzy if he's playing?
I haven't
Is he
really,
here?
I haven't really, yeah, he's home. I haven't really talked to him because he had like no service. He was on the cruise and shit, so. Yo, where was your Wurlitzer?
That's so weird. When you go in, you don't know anybody. It's,
Oh, good try.
I guess I don't know. I didn't know when I know how to catch my It's kind of juicy.
Yeah.
Score?
8.
All around? 8 all around.
Missed my 3.
Stay back. Stay back. Good ball.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Did that count?
No.
Jake Ferrari is.
Oh, that's money. That's easy. He did every play if that's how it is.
I just don't think he wants to be like a user.
No.
Which is, I respect.
But, oh yeah. He might. What's a big shot? Good board, Ashley. Ashley's gonna have like 10.
Triple double. Jokic.
10 blocks.
Oh, dude, the first
That'd be crazy.
quad double. No way. Good try. It looked good.
Just think he's gotta stop shooting that. He seems like he has hustle. He said he wants to shoot more, but I think he's just gotta embrace himself as like a big man. He's gotta drive more.
Good D.
Chubb's like a fly today.
Yeah. What's halftime? 11.
Wow. Wow, Jackson, call that.
Did you call that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
Good Jack. 2 points for Jackson already. So you know the sweep. Couple points from you, Jimmy.
Yeah.
That's
3.
scoring. That's scoring.
Yeah, I feel like I actually have like somewhat of an offensive bag now. I can do my shit.
For my team, we're
Nice, Big A. That's you.
For my team, we're starting the great man Kelly today.
Yeah. Yo, who is this new kid?
Joel?
Yeah, jump. I got it. Or how about Traina does it so it's completely fair? It's a jump ball. Yeah, Traina's got it, so it'll be unbiased. They're just gonna tie. That was a good toss.
not even. They're leaving it open.
It's alright. Someone on time. What score? 10s.
That's a low score. I feel like we combine like 40 minutes. That's crazy.
I'm so horny.
Halftime.
Dribble in.
Aggressive, man.
Come on. This has happened twice now.
Guys, we gotta finish. Good D.
I didn't touch that.
Off first pass? Yeah, it's just not you.
You guys do it all the time.
You can't attack you. Okay. You can't attack, like, you know.
If you pass it. Is Nelson coming for you guys? I texted you.
I'm not
didn't
talking
respond.
No, I'm playing like that.
I think he's in like the other country. I don't know.
It went out. No, I can't touch it.
12-10.
Close to me.
Right.
Yeah, we're seeing depth went to from the
Right.
Like this.
I'm back. Switch.
like Aaron's in a quiet.
Lord.
This is so good. This is like, oh my god.
You heard?
Out 15.
Wow.
What do we got?
13-10.
Max, I hit right fucking there. I'm here.
I just Tom's taking a lot. He's taking a lot. I think he's taking
In a bucket, yo. Stop in a bucket.
a lot of shots.
Stop.
I thought that was going cash, bro.
I know, I thought
that looked like cash.
It
It looked like cash, bro.
That looked like cash.
No, I thought it was about me.
It happened. That looked like cash, Jimmy.
Keep playing good D. One in.
Definitely quickly get that. Quickly get back in there. Or take a minute. Yeah, you guys gotta leave. This is the time to sit. AJ, it's now.
Watch that shot. Good close, Jimmy. Good D. That's a 2.
That's a good one.
Actually, gotta call that there.
I'm good.
Score? 13-11.
When Jimmy, when you and Jackson's ready, I'm good. Just letting y'all know. Got out.
This team's got so much fucking potential.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's going. Definitely got it. That's going.
Oh, shit. See, that's what I say. That's it. That's just the biggest fuck you know.
No. If I'm gonna start, if I'm gonna give him playtime, you might as well just start. You know what I mean? Like, if I'm gonna give him playtime, you might as well just start. I don't know if Gus is coming.
Neither do I.
Call it big man.
Big man doesn't know if he's With there, Jack? Ah.
What do you want, Jackson? What do you want?
See, this is what I wanted, though. I wanted Jimmy Jackson. They score here. I'm right now. This is such a fucking
Yeah.
Hey, that's two. That's two. Yep, 15. Was it 14 or was it just 13? Was it 13? 13.
Bro, still keep my karma from last game. It's my good karma.
Let's go, Big A.
Right.
Pull.
Nah, you're good now.
Back down.
I thought he was gonna.
Yeah.
James Harden that shit.
Yeah, dude, I thought he was gonna. Drive. Ah.
I got you next play.
Score?
15-12.
D first.
Want that deep.
Well, maybe I'm gonna make a
Yo,
guy right
Team Winnipeg gets the best D.
there. I don't know. No one probably.
Yeah, you probably.
Oh, defensively, like me? Oh, probably, yeah, probably. If Bell's is here.
No shot. Nice.
If Bell's is here.
Good board.
If Bell's is here, Bell's is here. Oh, hit the bottle. Here's ACL. Someone steps on it. I'm shot.
Slow it down.
Let me know. I'm here if need.
I'm okay.
Good?
Okay.
Good.
I know he's very emphasized on Aaron. 2 for 15. Yeah. He may have made a couple more.
Man of the hour. Yes, AJ. Hit Jackson.
Oh, good shot, AJ.
Good shot. We're good. Play good D. Play good D.
No two.
Yeah.
Good call, AJ. 13-15.
What is it?
13-15.
Keep it up. Reach out.
Good pass.
Right up.
That's a free bucket. That's a free bucket.
Yeah.
We all
Wait,
missed
whose
that
ball
shot.
is that? Oh.
We all miss him, but I know AJ's in his head, though.
Aggressive, AJ. Aggressive. Good D. Good D. Way to be there.
Ooh, that's us. Call it. That's us. You gotta call it.
Andrew's playing that long.
Call your fouls, guys. Post game, they were fouling before.
Off the dome. Hey!
Good block.
We're back.
This is a putt. Use the energy.
Out of bounds?
What?
Oh, wow.
Ball the line. Bro,
It's a, yo, review the play.
16-13?
Yes. Yeah, like roll to AJ's feet. All right. I was just looking for black and white on the pavement.
Honestly,
Good shot. Good shot.
Honestly, a camera like on the sideline over there wouldn't be a big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, the ref table used to be over there.
That's where
It's
all
on the
the,
camera.
I mean, we could have someone stand over there from now on.
that's where all the issues always happen. Too. Dude,
Good try, Big A. Good try, Big A.
he will. I talked to him. He will.
Cash moment.
Eric is turning up. Eric, not good?
Yeah, I think so now.
He's definitely better than last week.
Second half player.
Probably took like 8 shots. Not even. Mostly that's a foul.
Good.
There's a lot of fouls going down in there.
I'm not trying to call out a teammate, but good board.
Did towards ACL again.
Yeah, it's his left. It's his left knee.
Well, you're more likely to tear your other ACL than we tear an ACL.
Yeah. Well, tell that to OBJ. 3 ACLs in. Got him out. Reset. It's tied. 16. Come on. Damn, is that next truck? Yo, is that next truck? Game.
Yeah, that's true.
Two.
You shoot the fucking ball. Let's go.
Good shot, AJ.
Time out.
Timeout. All right, we're live.
I hope we have like a game that goes like win by 2, like goes for like 230 points. Remember the Thunder of River Dragons? The comeback? Fuck you. When you guys came back? Another one. Oh, confidence. We love it.
Wait, really? Reset. We're good. I'm right here.
Call a timeout.
No, not yet. We get trapped.
That smells like a real big A to me. Yeah. What's up, baby? How you doing? Good. How was what was it? Prom? What was it? Yeah. Yeah. How was that? Pretty good. Was it not like stupid? It was kind of stupid. Yeah. I was about to say. I feel like all the stupid dance was that like that. Good move. How was 17? How was the DJ? Dude, it wasn't a DJ. What? The one girl in the class just had like a, I don't know, class president had like a playlist. What? No, you better get in. They're starting, bro. It was all like, you better be throwbacks. It was all like,
Call a timeout if we need it.
17. Bro, we were up by 4 like a Bang! We got whiz. 1918 Houston.
18-18.
1918.
They're winning?
Yes. 2.
All in.
All I'm saying, I'm gonna
Is that the shot?
Fuck out of here, bitch.
Oh, he's gonna pull up! For game? Oh, that would have been sick. That's that clip, bro. Fuck out of here. That's game. Good shot, Big A. Oh. Over the bag. Fuck out of here.
So let's get some time. I'm about to. Can I call a timeout from the bench, bro? Nice. AJ, there's no point.
It's 2:45 yesterday. Tom's here? I can't do that. That's weird.
Time out. Time out.
Put Jimmy in. Why not let it fly? Yeah, this team can't finish.
That game?
Oh, we're live.
Bro, just go for it.
I don't think so, but that's the way they've been playing.
Yeah, so I thought we said those.
They just need one.
But wait till like game 3, then it's like they can get used to it.
Double team,
Because
double
I'm
team,
losing
double
this game.
team.
I said 7. It's like 9.5. Yeah, 9.5.
This is scary. This
This
game's
throws you off.
close.
They just were a little long. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If they were 10 points, you probably made more of them.
Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him.
Rebound. Good shot.
19,
That's what I
20,
need
19.
to see.
Still need one. Still need one. Who's winning?
Are we doing 1 by 2 or is it
Foul.
Through my 2.
Foul over a layup.
Forward, forward.
Damn.
I really do.
This is scary, bro. This is a close game. I was actually like 21-18. Hello. What time is it?
Whoa, no shot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I like it. What the?
Short.
Ah! Reset, reset. Watch, I might take that. No!
Yup. Yup.
Oh! That's crazy. That's been crazy.
Oh, that's a good shot, dude.
I'm here.
Scary hours. Left him open. AJ, bro, what are you doing?
And then no hustle for the rebound. Come on, man.
Eric, open the corner. Oh my God, he's wide open.
What the?
Oh!
Good D.
Game!
I didn't touch the ball once offensively.